Aren't you glad that you held? Aren't you glad that you maintained? Aren't you glad that you stayed strong? You stood your ground by holding your AMC stock, or pretty much for this matter, other stocks you might have. Because the market is actually starting to look like we're going back up. You can see here today we had another milestone, even on crypto, on the crypto space, where for the last 2 weeks high, Bitcoin has been breaching this. Ethereum has been breaching the 3,000. Cardano, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. I mean, bunch of assets in the market are going up. Now, the thing is, this might give you AMC holders a clear indication of what to expect and how to actually prepare your mindset moving forward into this. Why am I bringing that up? Because you may not be even aware of this, but I'm pretty sure you are feeling a little bit down when stock prices are down, especially if you hold a bunch of stocks, But if you have too much money or only one position, I bet you that every single 5 minutes, every other 5 minutes, or every other 15 minutes, you are checking your position, even if nothing is happening. And on days where the share price is red, you tend to be a little bit depressed. You tend to be a little bit frustrated. You tend to be a little bit uncomfortable or on edge with your emotions because you are questioning yourself. Was this the right move to do? Was this the right investment to do? Even if your due diligence, your research, your analysis made all sense, but you're getting tested in the midst of the red days. And we have been way more tested in these red days for AMC for the last 6 months. So it's just understandable and logical for people to have lost faith a little bit or to be a little bit disappointed. But the thing with stocks is the stock market evolves in cycle. It doesn't matter if you're looking at the fundamentals, if you look at the technical analysis, if you look at the geopoliticals, there is always something that will push the share price of stocks or any other specific stock, even though it's a short squeeze play, up or down. All right. So days like this actually should give you a better sense of, well, in red days, maybe I should buy more. All right. And then so when it goes up a little bit, I can sell off not everything if I strongly believe it's going to go up, but at least I can average down, or I can do a little bit of swing trade. I can lock in some profits and use those profits in another play, in another asset, in another space, in order to make much more money. And then I can repeat that cycle so that in 12 months, my future self will thank me for what I did today. All right. Now, the thing is, these swings are going to be way more drastic in the midst of the short squeeze. All right. So one day we will be up 15%, and then the next day we might be down 20%. Because of the volatility, all right? Because if you think now that it's volatile, meaning it goes up and down by big swing, I mean, wait to see when the big volume causing by the shorts covering and people chasing the pump, people day trading and swing trading. I mean, you have a magic formula for chaos in terms of volatility, meaning it can go down $50 a share. I mean, if you think about it, once we hit 100 or 200 to 20 to 150 to you might not be that much, but it's still $50 a share. All right. But by that time, it will be much more difficult to hold for some people because I was up $50,000 1 hour ago. What do I do now? Do I get out? It will be those kind of situations popping into your mind. So I just want to, bring that awareness to you so that you wouldn't be, you would use days like these to actually build your confidence, but also prepare you of what may happen. Because remember, stocks, even in the midst of a short squeeze, evolve in cycle, in swings. We go up, we go down. But if you're prepared for the ups and the downs, then you end up always on top on the other side of the thing. And that's how you win. Not going to be different for AMC.